Good morning, everyone. Oops, she's up. Bonnie, be careful. Oh dear. Come here. Mahulog ka, Bonnie. Ning. Oh my goodness. This is the first time that I saw her jump and stay like that on the fence. She will usually just jump over and down she goes. Come here. Oh, Bonnie, you will get trapped, silly. You're not welcome on the other side. They have 4 cats. You get in trouble. Oh, she's complaining. You're complaining. What's the problem? It rained last night, so I think all her scent are gone. So she's peeing every spot. Coffee time. Anong ginagawa mo doon? Ha? Bakit ikaw akyat-akyat doon? Hmm, you done? Okay, that's it. We will be going around the neighborhood.